Good morning, guys. This is Mara right here. It's coming from my bed, and boom, let me take you outside. Wow. Boom, Cartagena, Colombia. Good morning. Let me clean up my lens. Oh man. Oh. Look at that sun, guys. And me, I'm staying right here. Look. Good morning, guys. I'm coming live from Cartagena, Colombia. I'm staying here. It's really amazing. Super amazing, guys. This is my bed. Oh, I just woke up and boom, I just woke up to that sun. Look at that sun, guys. Wow. Let me do another shot because it's the only moment to do this. See? Cartagena. Man, that is something else. I think that's the reason why you can pay here a lot of money. But this place is so humid that you have to clean the camera after every few seconds, man. It's so humid. And the sun, bro, really amazing. My name is Mara. I'm gonna be showing you a tour of this place. We're in Hilton, Cartagena. And yeah, I'm gonna show you a small tour of this place. So this is the outside lounging area, or I don't know, this sun waking up, you know. And then look from the mirror other side. Wow. We have TV area. This we have one bed here. We have the other place right there. Okay, another dog heading that place. Wow, look at this, man. Couch, table, 2 seats, place to work, TV, another table, coffee area, right here, bathroom, okay. Main door, and here you go this way.
All I need is you, baby, baby.
Yo, what's up, guys? This is Mara right here.
What's up, family?
Arrow, man.
Hey, what's up, fam?
You're shining like a 20.
I'm glittering.
Yeah, like boom, you know.
Woo, woo.
Where are we, Aaron, man?
Hey, we're at.
Let me give you a shoe cam.
Oh,
show
okay,
us your
okay.
shoe, man.
They glow in the dark.
Yeah, yeah.
Hey, crazy.
I saw actually in one of your Instagram, you saw these shoes I think online. You said booked, ordered.
Yeah, got them. Love them.
So Aaron, where are we, bro?
Cartagena. Cartagena.
Yes. So
Yes.
we're in Cartagena, Colombia, in a zone called Boca Grande. You know, Boca means mouth, big mouth.
Big mouth.
Boca Grande. Grande is big, so big mouth. Boca Grande. So we're in
The Hilton.
The
Yeah,
Hilton.
The biggest one.
Man,
in Cartagena.
this is my second time ever in my life to stay in the Hilton.
Wow.
The first time I stayed in the Hilton was because somebody insulted me and I decided to go to book the place. So I was back in Kenya, somewhere, I think 2019. So I asked a guard who was guarding a very nice building in Kenya, like, hey, are there rooms to stay here to sleep close to Hilton? This guy looked at me, said, no, you should go down there, you know, very like sketchy place. I told him why. He said, okay, if you don't feel that, that's Hilton, go book.
Yeah.
I right away walked to Hilton, like I booked it, boom. I swear before God. That was my first experience
Wow.
with Hilton.
Wow. Well, you're gonna have a much better experience, man. I'll tell you that right now.
So now we're in Boca Grande, Cartagena, Colombia. I think I have to fly my drone.
Yeah, I think you're gonna have to, brother.
Then I show you guys, like, we're gonna go inside and show you how the place looks like. It's amazing. And this other side, look, man. Cartagena.
Awesome.
Yes, very awesome.
Wow.
It's kind of humid, right?
Yeah, very humid.
It's very humid.
tropical.
Yes, very tropical.
Yes.
Cartagena, Colombia. Wow, the birds are making a lot of noise. You can feel them?
they are.
Wow. So let's give them a room tour, man.
Okay, let's look at it.
So first here outside you can bask, you know, and right there,
Look at all these windows.
and we have windows. You see, building a house with windows is very nice, man.
Very,
It
very
makes
nice.
it makes it very beautiful, man.
Absolutely. Absent sunlight, natural sunlight.
Yes.
Yeah.
And like you feel like you're outside when you're inside. So going in, guys, this is how it is. Wow, look at that.
Yeah.
And the ceiling boards. You have a TV right there.
TV.
Yes, that's a TV right here.
So.
And right here we have a working table right there. And we're gonna turn on the lights. I think you have to put the
Oh, you
key.
have to put the key in.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
So here we have the bathroom
With
right
shower.
here with the shower.
Nice.
Actually, it's the rain shower. See?
Beautiful.
Wow. Comes with all the soaps and everything.
Beautiful.
Then here we have something like coffee, right? Coffee maker and stuff. What's inside here?
Oh, refrigerator.
I have a fridge.
Little fridge.
Yes, you can put your stuff here.
Nice.
Wow. And then this is the view from here. Hey, it looks very nice, man. I need this photo maybe for my thumbnail.
Now they're probably wondering where we're gonna sleep.
Yeah. So we have one room here with 2 beds. So, wow.
Right.
See that?
See, I had to get a real bed too. You know,
Yes.
these beds are Hilton. They're very, very comfortable.
Very comfortable.
Very comfortable.
Look at this. Yes. I think they're too soft, Aaron.
You think so?
I'm bouncing like a ball, you know? Oh, you can see me. So, yeah, so we have 2 beds here.
TV.
We have TV. Right here we have a TV, working table, another small, how do you call this, Aaron?
That is a bench.
A bench.
Yeah, a bench.
So this is
Seating.
just for sitting or relaxing?
Yeah, for changing your shoes. You know what I mean?
Oh,
You know, you go do your makeup, you know, whatever. But yeah, this is a bench.
it's a bench.
Yes.
Man, I'm learning a lot of things. I'm gonna create
Yeah.
this for my house.
Yeah,
man.
I have
a
one in my
bench.
house.
I didn't
Yeah.
know. I didn't
Yeah.
know.
Yeah.
And here we have, wow, this thing is transparent.
Another refrigerator.
Another refrigerator. So it's like these rooms, they are independent.
Yes.
You know.
Absolutely.
And here,
Closet.
closet.
Nice.
Wow. And we have a, how do you call this?
Safe.
Safe.
Yes.
Safe.
So we have 2 safes.
2 safes.
Yes.
Here. And also here,
Another bathroom.
another bathroom.
Yeah.
See?
So you got
Very
yours.
nice.
I got mine.
Yes. And wow.
That's awesome.
And the view from here is just amazing.
That'd be nice.
Wow, look at that video, how I'm shooting it. Boom. Boca Grande.
That's awesome.
Yes, Boca Grande. I feel like if these guys were very creative, they would have done something on top here, like maybe restaurant.
Yeah.
You know, like a restaurant.
100%. Yes. Yes.
You know.
Yes. Yes.
And this one, even it could be like for people from outside, like you
Right.
don't have to stay here.
Exactly. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. Just come and hang out.
Wow.
Yeah.
So this is my second time, Aaron, in Cartagena.
Really?
Last time I was
This
here.
is your second time?
Yes, second time in Cartagena.
Oh.
The first time I was here, I stayed in an Airbnb.
Really?
Underground.
Wow.
In the basement.
Really?
Yes, man.
Wow.
But I took very nice drone shots then.
Wow. This will be really good.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
This is the Pacific Ocean, right? Should be. El Pacifico. I'm not sure. You know, there's Colombia has the Pacific, the Caribbean, and
Yeah.
the Atlantic.
Is it the Pacific?
So that's Colombia is the only country with the Caribbean in it, Pacific in it.
I think this is the Caribbean.
This is the Caribbean.
I think so. I think so. 'Cause up here, because up over here specifically. I believe this is Caribbean. I
Caribbean.
believe it is. I believe it is.
Because you know Venezuela is close by,
Exactly.
and also there's the other part of Colombia which we have San Andres.
San Andres.
I don't know what that is. Guys, please let us know in the comment section below. So far, what's your first experience impression, man?
Oh man, just a taxi ride in. The driver's so knowledgeable. I mean, I had no idea that there were slaves at one time.
Cartagena was the real deal.
I had no idea.
In the entire like upper part of Latin America.
Crazy.
Cartagena was the real deal.
Yeah.
There's a place called Palenque, which if we have time we should go there, man.
Definitely.
And the taxi driver actually told us he has a friend who is from Palenque. So this is Cartagena first impression, and actually we intend to go out and show you a lot of stuff. Hey, you know, we didn't show them the activities around here.
Yeah, look at that. Tennis.
So here we have tennis. This is the Hilton. Like right there, you see it. They're playing tennis. Boom. And right this other side we have a swimming pool. Actually, couple of swimming pools. Even there are more tennis courts. Hey, you see that guy? That guy enjoying.
Oh yeah, he's having fun.
Yeah, there's a guy enjoying right there. I don't know if you guys can see, but
living his life.
yes, man. And inside a jacuzzi, you know. Wow, man. And up here, look up how it looks like.
Yeah. More sweet.
That's how it is.
Wow.
You know, Cartagena is a very historical city, man.
Yeah.
And you've seen like we have two parts of Cartagena. If you're coming to Cartagena, you have to stay in either of these parts.
That's true.
Central Historical, that's where like old buildings are. Actually, it feels like Puerto Rico or Cuba.
Yeah, Puerto Rico, definitely.
Yeah, it feels like Puerto Rico.
Ooh,
And this,
the parrots.
yeah, the bars.
The parrots.
Yeah, they're all over here.
Wow.
And this is now the rich side, you know.
Woo!
Whoa!
Look at that. And look at the other birds, the blackbirds,
the white,
the cranes over there.
I feel like this is the home of birds here,
It
man.
must be.
Yeah.
Wow, and then the ones over here.
Yeah.
Crazy.
And it's good they have not destroyed these trees to construct
Kept
something.
everything.
You know.
That's awesome.
Wow. You can also do some boat rides. So guys, that's our room tour in Cartagena, Colombia. We're gonna bring you more other videos of Colombia, the food, and maybe somebody was asking us how much we are paying, Aaron, per night. You know,
I think 150.
150.
I believe.
Yes.
I believe. I think because everything was really booked up. It was really hard just even finding a room. You know? So
it's holiday season.
Yeah,
It's Christmas.
So it was really
everybody's
difficult
coming
even
to
just-
Cartagena.
Yeah, we're getting this one. I believe it was about 150 though.
150 US.
Yeah, 150 a night.
Yes,
yeah,
a night.
US.
So let's see their services, and we shall tell you maybe the Wi-Fi and other things you have to discover later.
Absolutely.
But anyway, this is the beautiful Cartagena, and from here you can see the moon actually right there. I'm gonna sign out and say please follow Aaron on Instagram. Go check on my Instagram and Aaron's Instagram right there. We shall be giving you more tours.
Definitely.
You know, the funny part where I didn't show them is the lounging space, the restaurant. This place has a lounging space,
lot.
a restaurant. It has a lot of stuff, you know.
Definitely.
All right, guys, bye-bye.
All right.
Wow, this is one of those views, $1 million views that I just woke up to in my life, man. One of those views I'll always remember. Look at the ocean reflection, man. Wow, look even here. That's how it is, man. I'm so blessed. Please give the video a like. This is Cartagena, Colombia, live from the Hilton Hotel. Okay, I have to clean the lens because of it's so humid. Let me sleep, man. Let me sleep. Oh.
All I need is you, baby, baby. Over.
How much do I need to party here in Jamaica? What's up, guys? This is Mara coming live from New York City. We are in Hawaii.
Griffith Observatory in Los Angeles.
So I'm officially saying goodbye to Japan. As you see here, welcome to Japan.
¿Eres, Elisa?
Soy de España.
I'm heading to